Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm here with another unboxing video of my new Samsung Portable T5 SSD. So let's get started. So I already opened the box, and so it's kind of not really the unboxing because I have tested it and it works great. So as you can see, this is the box. It is the Samsung Portable SSD T5 is the model number, okay, and the color variant is blue. And you can see, as you can see here, it is of size 500 gigabytes, okay, so you can store up to 500 GB of data. On the left of the box we have a 3-year limited warranty mention over here, and you can see here, this is interesting. This says that interface USB 3.1 Gen 2, okay, and up to 10 Gbps, it says like that. I don't have any port with, I have the laptop with USB 3.1 port but not generation 2 port, okay. So that's it, and you can see Windows, Mac and Android compatible, and you can protect it using the password. So the software is already included in the hard disk, in the SSD itself, okay. On the back you can see the features. So it says that Samsung Portable SSD T5 up to 540 Mbps data transfer, and compact and lightweight aluminum exterior, so secure ready. So we have AES 256-bit hardware encryption, and that's it. So as you can see here, the details. So MRP written on the box, as you can see here, is near about 14,399 rupees, but I got it in a Amazon sale of for about 6,000 rupees, okay. And the sale was same on the Flipkart as well, and you may have ordered on the Flipkart. So for the 6,000 rupees I'm getting a 500 GB USB 3.1 generation 2 SSD, so that's a good deal according to me. And rest of the details are just as you can see here, okay. So let me just open the box. So I will open the box quickly, okay. And so this is the box, okay. It says Samsung T5 portable SSD is on the top, and let me just open the cover and casing for that. Okay, that's a pretty bad unboxing, okay. So this is the box, okay, and then we have the SSD. I will put it on the side. So as you can see, this is the documentation and the guide, okay. So it's just the documentation and stuff in Chinese, in multiple languages, English, maybe Japanese, Korean, and on the box it says made in Korea. As you can see here, this is made in Korea, okay, and this is 2019 model, okay. So apart from that, we get two cables, and these are really a good quality cables, okay. One is, as you can see, let me just show. So this is the type C cable, okay, USB 3 to type USB type A to type C cable for the normal USB A devices, and then you can plug it to TV or the laptop normally if you don't have the type C to type C port. And this is the type C to type C cable where you can plug one end in the smartphone or maybe your laptop and the other to the SSD. So these are really good quality cables, and the box itself to keep the hard disk is really good. So, and this is the delicate product, so I will suggest you to keep it in the box itself. And this is, as you can see here, is the portable SSD, okay. Something is written over here as well. Let me just focus on that. So it is just the model number and other things, okay. And then what is this? This is the Samsung Portable SSD T5 branding. Then here is the type C port of the SSD, and that's it. So this is really a very small, as you can see. I will, how can I show you? Let me just compare it with my smartphone. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my smartphone and this is my SSD. So this is 6.2 inch, I believe, and you can see SSD is really small, okay. You can compare the size of it. And for the normal, like let's say I'm copying images and videos, it gives me the speed about 540 Mbps. Yes, it does give, but approximately on an average I will say it gives me speed about 240 to 300 Mbps, okay. So that's the speed for SSD, and it is really good Okay, so that's it. I will post some links for the photos of the speed test and everything else regarding this in the description below. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.